Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best rock lights available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Imosontec RGB rock lights. Potential buyers may be overwhelmed by the level of options for customization through the Bluetooth connected app that comes with the Imosontec setup, so that not only can you alter the colors of the LEDs, however, you can also alter their brightness, frequency of change in color, and the speed at which the flash is activated and the pulse. They can sync with the music as well. One thing we found especially enjoyable was the app for the kit has an option that lets you shake your phone to generate an unintended color effect. Neat. The colors aren't all bright, but these lights are made from robust, heat-resistant materials that are extremely durable and can take on a lot of off-roading, thanks to the fact that they are made of aluminum of the highest quality, along with toughened glass as well as a reinforced dual polymer casing that's guaranteed last. If you're not 100% satisfied with the lighting, the company will offer you a refund assurance, and without any hassle. At number 4 is the Sunpie RGB LED Rock Light Kit. This product from Sunpie is extremely enjoyable, mostly because of one feature that you can switch colors at any time. There are other benefits, however, since the LEDs last a lifespan of 50,000 hours, which means you're very likely that they won't burn out. The LEDs, which emit 500 lumens of brightness, comprised of solid, hardened, and die-cast aluminum. They have the best chance of being able to withstand an impact against obstacles along the trail. The lights can also be controlled using a user-friendly app that can be used with both Android and iPhone. In this application, it is possible to alter the color of the light or have them blink and fade or slowly change colors to provide an unbeatable off-roading experience. In addition, they have a unique timing feature and an option for music mode, which lets you control the lights using music. They're the perfect accessory for your vehicle, truck, boats, interior UTVs, ATVs, UTV, motorcycle, ATV, and much more. At number 3 on our list is the Amak 4 Pods LED Rock Light. This one comes in 4 colors, including blue, white, red, and green. Similar to the earlier model, this one also includes a set of 4 bulbs. Each pod is home to 3 Cree LEDs that have 3 watts each. This LED is constructed of die-cast aluminum and toughened glass housings for long-lasting durability. They also have a universal design that fits. Therefore, they are able to be installed on any vehicle. The voltage range is 9 volts up to 32 V. The 4 bulbs of LED rock lights weigh in at 205 grams. The net size of this light is 2.76 by 1.34 inches. The installation equipment such as the screws, wire, and nuts are included within the package. Because these LED light sources can be used in water, these lights are able to operate even in water with no issues. In addition, they are also protected by anti-corrosion coating. In addition, the lifespan that each rock light LED chip is approximately 50,000 hours. Also, the luminosity of the lights is also impressive. In the end, it's an excellent choice to choose. Moving up at number 2 is the Ampere waterproof LED neon underglow light. If you're looking for an affordable rock light to use in your overlanding equipment, then you should take a look at this. This light is made by Ampere. The rock's light can be found in 5 colors, which include blue, white, green, red, and yellow. While we're talking about the model with 4 pods here, it's also available in the 2 pods and 6 pods versions. We have already said, this includes 4 pods, and each pod is equipped with 3 chips. These LED chips come from the Cree brand. Each chip requires 3 watts of power. Another advantage of the kit is it comes with 50,000 hours of service. The kit is also wrapped in a high-quality polymer that makes them dirt, water, and heat-proof. Each pod is securely placed inside die-cast aluminum housings. The size for each one is 2.76 by 1.38 inches. This means that they're lightweight and long-lasting. In addition, they can manage voltages between 12 volts to 24 volts. This allows it to be used on any type of vehicle, regardless of whether it's the Jeep Wrangler, ATVs, UTVs, or even your truck. At number 1 is the MICTUNING 2nd Gen RGB LED rock lights. The MICTUNING set includes 8 RGB lighting fixtures that can be controlled through an app and made to be simple to set up. The kit comes with 2 kinds of mounting pads that allow for easier wiring and mounting, and through MICTUNING's application, downloadable through QR codes, you can alter the brightness, speed as well as speed of strobes. Alongside these options, there's also an option to sync the lights to your preferred songs, making your trip enjoyable. MICTUNING's light fixtures are ideal for off-roading vehicles, off-roading boats, motorcycles, as well as interior lighting. They're also protected by sturdy glass that is shockproof and aluminum. They are resistant to impacts and water intrusion as well as dust, dirt. So that sums of today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.